Okay, so let's take a look at solving equations versus solving inequalities. So, just so you know, and I don't know if you saw it in the previous video, the addition and subtraction properties of equalities work the exact same. I can do the same thing. I can add 3, I can subtract 3. They work the same. No problem. The multiplication and division properties work the same with positive numbers. So as long as I'm dividing by a positive number, we're good. Or multiplying by a positive number. If I'm using it with a negative number, I simply have to flip the sign. Well, think about it. If I know 3 is less than 5, right? If I multiply both sides by -2, -2 times 3 and -2 times 5, well, -6 is not less than -10. That is not true. It is greater than. That's why we have to flip the sign. Whenever we multiply or divide by a negative number, we just flip it. So a less than becomes greater than becomes less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to becomes less than or equal to. It's that simple. So let's try it with another equation. So here I have -5x plus 28 is less than or equal to 83. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do some subtraction property of equality. Remember, that doesn't change anything. I'm going to subtract 28 from both sides. So I have -5x plus 28 minus 28 is less than or equal to 83 minus 28. So my next line, I'm just going to combine my like terms. I end up with -5x is less than or equal to 55. Sorry, did that in my head. Give me a second. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my division property of equality and divide by -5. So I put it over here. I need to flip my sign. Flip side. Because I'm dividing by -5. So when I write this, I have -5x divided by -5 must be greater than or equal to 55 divided by -5. So I'm going to simplify that and say x must be greater than or equal to -11. And I can graph my equation. So, once again, can label this -11. So I will put 0 here. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be -22 here. So this is an or equal to, so I'm going to fill it in. And then I said, is -11 greater than or less than it? Well, we said that -11 was less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So that means -11 must be the greatest number. So I'm going to shade everything down, including the arrow. Okay. So let's go on to this problem. Some more for you to consider. Here I have negative x plus 7 is greater than 3x plus 3 minus 2 times the difference of 2x and negative 7. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is use my distributive property. So I have negative x plus 7 is greater than 3x plus 3 minus 4x plus 18. Because remember, negative 2 goes to both of these. Negative times negative gives me a positive. So then I'm going to collect some like terms. So what like terms do I have? Well, on this side I have the positive 3 and the positive 18. And I have the positive 3x and the negative 4x. So I'm going to combine those like terms. So I end up with negative x plus 7 is greater than negative x plus 21. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add to both sides. I'm going to add x to both sides. Okay? So I have negative x plus x plus 7 is greater than negative x plus x plus 21. I'm going to combine my like terms. I have like terms here and like terms here. And I will end up with 7 is greater than 21 when I combine my like terms. Well, here's my question. Is 7 greater than 21? No. That means that there is no solution to this problem. No number that you put in for x would ever make it true. No solution to this. If this was represented a situation, there'd be no answer to that situation either that would make it true. So, one more. I have 4x minus 30 is less than 2 times the sum of 2x and 6. So once again, I'm going to use my distributive property first to distribute the 2 to the 2x and to the 6. I get 4x minus 30 is less than 4x plus 12. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. Remember, those work the exact same. So I have 4x minus 4x minus 30 is less than 4x minus 4x plus 12. When I combine my like terms, I get negative 30 is less than 12. Well, this is a true statement, right? Negative 30 is less than 12. What this true statement tells me is any number would make this true. Any number makes the inequality true. So that's our answer there.